Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we'll be taking a look at our 2015 GMC Acadia Denali. This vehicle comes with our silver metallic paint, our privacy tint in the rear, our chrome alloy rims, as well as our chrome trim accents. On the interior of the Acadia, we have our black leather with our gray stitching, our wooden paneling, our chrome door handle. We also have our memory seat adjustments just down below. We have that same wooden trim running along the bottom. We also have our close handle. We have our lock and unlock buttons, our rear window locks, our 4 power windows, as well as our power mirror fold-in, our power mirror adjustment, and the joystick to adjust. Just down below, we have our speaker, our Bose speaker for the Bose speaker system in the vehicle, and our storage in the bottom portion of the door card. We also have our power seat adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our daytime running lights, our dome light settings. We have here our interior lighting dimmer switch, as well as our ambient lighting. Our gauges can be controlled with the buttons just to the right, as well as the dimmer switch. Radio controls are on the right side of the steering wheel, Denali in the middle, and on the left we have our heated steering wheel and cruise control settings. We also have our wooden trim on the top of the steering wheel and heated leather on either side. Storage compartment at the very top of the dash. Down below we have our CD player, auxiliary input, our infotainment system, volume control, and station select. We also have our odometer controls, our lane keep assist, and our front collision alert. Dual zone climate with digital screen displaying the current temperature in degrees Celsius, and dynamic fan adjustment. Down below, we have our heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as cooled seats. We also have our rear windshield wiper option, our traction control on and off, towing option, and our power liftgate. Below that, we have our USB charging adapter, as well as 12 volt. Our same wooden trim returns in the center cluster, where we have our gear select and our 2 cup holders. Moving on to the underneath of the center console, we have a very nice storage area with our coin holders and pen holder. You can slide back the center console, leather wrapped. Go ahead and press the button to open it up, and we'll find a nice storage place for a phone with felt lining. The front seats feature our patent leather with gray stitching, and lower down we'll find our vented leather for maximum breathability in the leather seats. On the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar command controls. Just overhead, we have our 3 garage door openers, as well as our sunroof release and our dome lights with our sunroof above and our rear sunroof as well. We can see our chrome GMC rims with our GMC center cap and locking wheel nut. We have our Denali chrome strip running the length of the vehicle, our chrome door handles, as well as our privacy tint for the rear. Around to the back, we can see Acadia and our all-wheel drive badging. Press the button to activate the power liftgate. And we'll see on the right side, we have our controls for our radio and audio system, and button overhead or key to close it back up. Now taking a look at the rear interior of the Acadia, we have our same black leather with gray stitching, our wooden inlays, our chrome door handle, as well as our cup holder and window switch. Down below is our speaker, and then storage in the bottom portion of the door card. We have our leather magazine holders as well at the back of the front seats. Back of the center console, we have our climate controls for the rear, as well as audio and our aux input. We also have our wooden paneling that continues through, and our 12 volt charging port and 2 USBs. The rear seats have 2 bucket seats and a 60-40 split bench in the far rear. We have our patent leather above with gray stitching and vented leather lower down. The only addition will be our armrest for these rear buckets. And for the far bench, we have our patent leather with vented leather lower down as well, and then cup holders off to the side on both sides. Thank you for joining us for this video walk around of our 2015 GMC Acadia Denali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.